You don't ever reach one point for life where your heart dey shout say, guy, if you no move now, nothing go change. You don't ever look your life and ask, why are they too fear to try something new? Or you don't ever hide inside comfort because wahala outside dey look too big. My person, make I tell you wetin happen the day I step out of my comfort zone. That day, fear hold me. My leg dey shake. My mind dey ask million questions. But something inside me whisper, move. God dey wait for you for the next step. And as I step out, I see say the thing I fear no big reach the picture wey my mind draw. Na comfort zone dey lie, na fear dey exaggerate. But once you take that first step, God dey meet you halfway. I see new strength, new grace, new courage wey I no know say I get. I see door wey no go open until person first move reach am. If you dey and your life dey stuck, hear me now, make you know say God no dey bless comfort. God dey bless courage. God dey bless movement. Sometimes your next miracle dey wait you for outside your safe place. Sometimes na that risk go unlock destiny. Bible talk for Isaiah 41:10. Fear not, for I am with you. I go strengthen you. I go help you. This verse na reminder say you no dey walk alone. So today, gather liver, take that step, try again, move again, dream again. Your comfort zone safe, yes, but you no get growth. Your greatness dey outside. Your testimony dey for the next bold step. And hear me well, your comeback go loud pass your setback. Your story go sweet pass your struggle. Because once you step out with God, you no go step back in shame.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice wey no loud, but get sense.